How to make Spanish tea shot. You will need following 5 ingredients. 1. 1 ounce Tequila Blanco. 2. 1 ounce peach schnapps, which is one of the most famous of the peach types of alcohol. 3. Half an ounce lemon juice. 4. Half an ounce simple syrup. 5. Lime wedge, optional, for garnish. For this recipe, you must have following equipment. 1. Cocktail shaker. 2. Strainer. 3. Shot glasses. Now that you have gathered your ingredients, just take following 5 steps to make your Spanish tea shot. Step 1. Make sure everything is measured for a seamless mixing experience. Step 2. Chill your shot glasses beforehand for an extra refreshing sip. Step 3. Shake it up. Combine all the liquids, tequila, schnapps, lemon juice, and simple syrup, in a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Give it a vigorous shake for 15-20 seconds, ensuring everything blends and chills nicely. Step 4. Strain and serve. Use a strainer to filter the chilled concoction into your waiting shot glasses. The last step, which is optional. Add a lime wedge or a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar on the rim for a touch of flair. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon.